Hello viewers! Does the windshield look like this? All fogged up and covered with a misty layer on the inside every morning you get inside your car. Now, not only is this annoying, but it also makes seeing where you drive very difficult, which, needless to say, is dangerous and reckless. So with that in mind, let's see what to do when the car windows are all fogged up. Later on in this video I'll explain how to prevent the windshield and door windows from fogging up, but for now let's focus on the situation at hand. They are all covered with a thick misty layer through which you can't see anything. So what's the fastest and most efficient way of removing this? Well, you might be tempted to wipe it off with a rag or towel, but this only makes things worse as this smears up the moisture, causing the windshield to fog up again in a few seconds. Instead, start the engine and set the car's interior ventilation to the max, both the blower speed and temperature. Obviously, there won't be any warm air here at first, because it will take a minute or two before the engine even remotely warms up, but even when it starts blowing lukewarm, that'll help. Also, what's crucial is to set the ventilation so it blows towards the windshield, as you want the airstream to dry up the moisture there. And now for the most important part. Turn on the AC if your car has it. I know, it might seem odd. Why would you do that? You need hot air, not cold. But the thing is, the AC removes moisture from the air, so you'll have a stream of nice, dry air coming out the vents and drying up the windshield. In fact, by doing so, you'll get the windshield nicely demisted within a minute or two. When this is done, you can turn off the AC, as there is no need to keep it running anymore. So, having solved the immediate crisis, what we want to know next is how to prevent the windows from fogging up in the first place. The fact is, this happens when the moisture inside the car condenses when it comes in contact with cold surfaces, which the windshield and windows definitely are, and that's what you should focus your efforts on. The first step here is the windshield and the windows themselves. Suppose they are dirty on the inside and covered with a thin greasy layer. In that case, this will actually attract moisture, so they will fog up practically all the time. You can easily check if this is so by scraping your fingernails against the window. If there is a noticeable difference, it's dirty and needs to be cleaned. And this actually is a dead easy job. Just take a window cleaner of any sort, an ordinary household one will do the trick here, and some paper towels. Spray the cleaner onto the windshield and wipe it off thoroughly. Put some effort into this and keep rubbing until the glass surface is sparkling and without any smear marks. And obviously repeat this on remaining car windows until they are all nice and clean. With the windshield and windows nice and clean, you might consider using an anti-mist spray. This specially formulated chemical repels moisture away from the surfaces onto which it's applied. Again, the procedure is easy. Spray it evenly onto the windshield and wipe it off with a clean cloth or paper towel. Or alternatively, you can use some home-based products for this purpose, such as shaving foam or a 50-50 mixture of vinegar and water in a spray bottle. These old-school methods do a pretty decent job when it comes to prevention of fogging up. As with anti-mist products mentioned before, you'll have to spray them on the windshield and then wipe them off clean. Next, we have these floor mats. In many cars, they are made from velour or similar fabric, which does look nice. But these can also get very wet during fall or winter when you put your wet or snowy shoes on them. And then, when you park your nicely warmed up car in the evening, all this moisture inside the carpets will evaporate and cause the windshield to fog up. My advice is to get a set of rubber mats for this period of the year. They won't hold that much water, and if they do get wet, you can simply shake them off like so. While here, I must also mention the carpets and the upholstery on the floor, which might be wet. Basically, you press them with your fingers and see they are soaked. And to make things worse, you have the sound deadening underneath these carpets, which in essence is a spongy material that can hold a lot of liquid. Now, if this is the case, you first need to dry all this moisture out. And what's even more importantly, try to figure out where it came from. Maybe the scuttle drain underneath the windshield is clogged with leaves and dirty, causing the water to enter through the car's AC system when it's raining. Other possible causes include holes made by rust in the floor or a leaking cabin core heater. In that case, it will be the coolant that soaks the carpets. One more thing that can have a significant impact here is the cabin air filter, which is a part of the car's AC system. Its job is to stop the dirt and dust from entering the vehicle's interior through the vents. But if it hasn't been changed in a while, it will be dirty and full of moisture. As a result, when you turn on the blower, the air coming in will be humid, which only worsens the situation and fogs up the windows. This is why the cabin air filter should be replaced once a year at least. In fact, I've already mentioned this in a separate video on car winter preparations, so it might be a good idea to check that one as well. Now, if you live in an area where there's a lot of moisture in the air, it might be a good idea to turn on the air recirculation in the car when leaving it parked overnight. This closes a flap on the ventilation's intake, preventing the humid outside air from entering the vehicle. By doing so, you'll probably reduce the chances of the windshield and windows fogging up during the night. But of course, once you get inside the car and start driving, don't forget to turn off the air recirculation. The thing is, the air you exhale is very moist, and after some times, this will cause the windows to start fogging up if there is no fresh air coming in. Not to mention the lack of oxygen in such situations, which can make you feel drowsy. Lastly, if all this fails and the windows in your car keep fogging up regardless of what you do, then consider getting something that will reduce the humidity inside it. Probably the simplest solution here is a silica-based dehumidifier. This can be a plastic container with silica pelts inside it, like this one, or as a more elegant solution, a fabric bag filled with silica gel. Simply put it on the dashboard or somewhere inside the car, and it will continuously remove the moisture from the air. Sure, after some time it will get all moist and wet from all the water it absorbed. But when that happens, just pop it in the microwave oven, it'll dry out within a few minutes and be ready for another round of use. So there you have it, viewers. That's how you prevent the car windows from fogging up and demist them if they do. I hope this video was helpful, and if so, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends. Also, if you want to learn more about cars and how they work, check out other videos here or visit our site mechanicbase.com, where you'll find all sorts of automotive repair guides. Bye!